Yeah, going in.
Solar heals. KU's in. KU's in.
Get on the point, guys. Who's calling? Looking at break and die.
I'm still there.
Comp switch on next effort. Almost got ult. They're gonna run dive. We should be running brawl into them.
Yeah, probably true.
Taking high ground?
Yeah, I'll come high ground with you.
They're gonna
Is it
have
tricking my recall?
They have EMP now, yeah.
Oh, we're split. Destro, come high ground, I think.
Holding tanks,
I'm
holding
coming back
tanks.
to Destro.
I need help. I need care. Get back.
Alright.
I'm out of position. D.Va. Holding D.Va.
TB gets high ground. TB high.
Nice.
Right on you.
Sombra's high ground as well, I think. Okay, she's dead.
D.Va
Nice,
max. Leaving her. No, we're not leaving her apparently. Okay. Excellent. Now we hold. The hold begins, ladies and gentlemen. They have nano. They have nano. They have primal. Lime set us a TP. That. Yep, that's good.
Well,
When
that's a different one.
I'm gonna hold.
Can you get it?
Get the monkey.
We were
Trace
short
my recall, Destro?
Press the right.
Nice.
Nice. So.
Can
They've got bomb.
I have a TP over here, please? Oh, thank you.
Yeah. They're bomb. They're primal. They have nano.
Do they have EMP?
I'm gonna.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they have EMP.
I'm gonna. That's what we're looking for. Here. I'm gonna try and hold the monkey when he engages.
Yeah, if we could scout check, then I could flux.
Pretty sure Eva, she's gonna.
She's here.
TB.
I need help over here.
Monkey can die. Monkey is one.
Come on, monkey.
Oh, huge, huge. No more.
Monkey one. Monkey's primal.
Yeah, monkey on me.
Look at monkey. DVD max.
Where's monkey gone?
He's
Top
hot.
is jumping
yeah.
out.
He's low.
Chase.
Go back up.
I'm going high ground again. Oh, careful, Destro.
Destro, I got shield for you, buddy. That was a bad shield, but that's fine. So all counts. Alright, they used
Alright, they're
EMP.
killing.
No, they're changing comps. They're going Neo Goats, bros.
Okay.
Echo's killing TB over here.
Oh no, they're going to right.
No.
Alright.
Protect it.
They've gone to right. They've gone to Ryan back, but they're slow.
Alright,
They're real freaking slow.
when they
guys.
start,
No.
when they start to push high ground, I'm gonna flux. It looks like
Yeah.
they're low ground at the moment.
Where's the cart gone?
They're right, you are.
Yeah, they got Ryan Diva, but they don't have Lucio. So
Alright, ready for flux?
Pulling.
Right.
Break shit.
Spam the shit out of them.
Run.
Steven?
Back.
Steven's on cart?
Echo's still behind.
Diva left.
Okay.
Echo's one.
Do we need to drop you two?
No, I'm getting out. But they got Destro. They've got High Noon and they've got Bomb.
They probably have their own window.
They've gone to Lucio now. So they got
I
me.
can wall window.
They're gonna run us.
Low ground.
Yep, pushing cut.
Okay, pull back and then we can
rotate.
when they run at us, we High Noon.
Okay.
Oh, they have Diva though. So
It's mine. Nice.
nice. Alright, Destro, you ready to High Noon when they come in, buddy?
Just put pressure on their shield.
Holding out.
Oh, so sad.
I think they might be rotating.
They've got the Hanzo.
They're still there. They're still on the stairs. They're still on the stairs.
Yeah.
The Hanzo will come up behind us, so James check behind there.
They're gonna probably window out of here.
I think they're coming. No, they're still there.
I think they're waiting for Hanzo. Hanzo's on the turret thing behind us.
I see him.
There it is.
Go. DVD max. Holding together. Big hold.
Nice.
Look around. Just break shoot.
Yeah, run.
Run. Run is one.
Run solo. And Hanzo's on cart.
I'm going cart.
Nice.
Excellent. Alright, I've got Bongo. They're gonna have to run at us soon. Blues
going high ground again.
They've got Beat. They've got High Noon. They've got Shatter.
I'm just gonna sentry cart.
I'm 81 to window.
Oh,
nice.
huge.
Oh, nice.
Nice. GG's.